What is up, everybody? I am RC Gates, and today we are going to be taking a look at how I am able to get my screen of my iPad to mirror onto my computer so that my draw streams are able to look like this. Now, for this process, you're going to need several things. Obviously, you're going to need your iPad. I have the 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro. And you're also going to need a computer, which my computer is a 2012 MacBook Pro. Some upgrades have been made to work with the storage and other software stuff, but other than that, the bare bones of my computer are still the same. What you're also going to need is Quicktime Player, which this is the logo for it right here. The wire that you're going to need for this, if you're going to be using like an actual physical connection, is you're going to need a USB-A wire to a USB-C wire, because a USB-C is what the iPad currently uses to charge. And now I'll show you exactly what the process is for being able to screen share from my iPad to my computer. Ready? Alright, so what you're going to want to do at this point. So I have my iPad set up right here. I have my cable. I'm going to take my USB-C end of this cable, and I'm going to plug it in to the iPad as if I was going to be charging it. Make sure it is in there. It's all nice and secure. And then we're going to move over to the computer. Alright, so now we are at the computer. And since we have these two ports right here that are for USB-A, we're going to take that end of the cable, and this is still attached to the iPad with a USB-C. We're going to plug in the USB-A into the laptop. Again, this is nice and secure. The iPad is now plugged in to the computer. Alright, so now that we have the iPad plugged into the computer, this is where we get the step where we're going to need Quicktime Player. As you can see, I have it down on the bottom of the screen right here, where my finger's pointing. I'm going to click on that, and nothing's going to come up. That's because what we need to do is we need to go up to the corner where it says File. We're going to click on New Movie Recording. And this is from the camera that's on my computer right here. What we need to do is go down to this little red button here for the record. And instead of FaceTime camera, we're going to go to the iPad camera, or the iPad screen, I should say. So we're going to click on that, and you're going to see the screen of the iPad should come up. There we go. So, this is what you're able to see whenever I'm screen sharing my iPad during my draw streams, because I'll have this up and I'll be able to share that through StreamYard. So, those of you who are interested in the process of being able to mirror the iPad screen to your computer, this is the process that I use. It's quite simple, and it's easily replicated as well. All you need, as I said, is the iPad, a computer, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and QuickTime. And if you follow the steps that I just laid out for you, then it should be a fairly simple process. Now, there are some times that the screen will not want to share, but that will usually just require a restart of your computer and of the iPad. I've only had that issue once when I had to delay a drawstream because of that, and it was a very simple fix. It did take a little bit of time to figure out that fix, but it's definitely quite simple. And there you have it. That is my process for being able to mirror my iPad screen over to my computer screen for my draw streams. What I'm going to try and keep doing is I'm going to keep trying to put out tutorials so that people like myself will be able to have one place where they can go and look for stuff like this. Because whenever I was looking into actually starting all of this stuff, I had to look in various different places to actually get the knowledge of how to actually do all of this technical stuff. So what I'm going to keep trying to do is I'm going to keep putting out tutorials like this one where I'll show my processes behind what I do, and I might also get into my processes behind my art styles as well. I'll do some Procreate tutorials. Hopefully those will be coming down the line as well. And also do some art tutorials, hopefully. And I hope that all of you guys will enjoy it. And I hope that this will teach someone else how these processes work. I know that it helped me whenever I was starting out. And I just want to help spread the wealth of knowledge to all of you guys. With that being said, thank you all for sticking around. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys who do that. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out.